Cortez and Casey Johnson. Antonio Ochoa and Talia Garcia. Alright, D-backs, you will be able to find out who your homecoming king and queen are tomorrow night at the dance.
Okay, so what do you guys think about our court? Aren't they pretty snazzy? Yeah? Alright, so congratulations to all of you, and I'm going to have the freshman through junior court sit down and the senior court stay on the floor.
Mike, where are you?
Tori, what are you doing? I'm over here.
Why are you all the way over there, Mike?
Because I know how you get when it comes to competitions.
No denying that.
Alright, so I'm going to need our homecoming court. Hey, guys, over here. I'm going to need you guys to all line up where you see those, the streamers. Alright? So.
And girls, over here.
Alright,
Yes.
yeah, you're all doing it.
Okay.
So Tori, explain the game for us.
You guys, for this game, you lift the middle of the streamers and you move your arms in a circular motion to get the whole roll around your arm. And whoever gets it first is the winner.
Alright, so you're grabbing from the middle. What are you doing? Grabbing from, Antonio? Grabbing from the middle. Grab from the middle right
No,
now.
on the ground. Leave
Keep
it on the ground.
Point
Leave it
to
on
the
the
middle.
ground.
Point to the middle.
And grab it from
Middle,
the middle.
point.
Move your
Okay,
arms in
good.
circular motion.
You got it? You
Take it
got,
up.
got the middle? Okay, I think they're ready.
Okay. On your mark, get set, go. One.
Do we have one for this?
One. Right? Oh. The
Okay,
girls
so-
are not doing so hot.
Okay, I'm
Okay,
looking Taylor's
Antonio.
triceps
Okay,
over here. She
Antonio.
has to work out. There's no way she does it.
Ryan, hi. What are you doing?
What is going on?
Come on, Taylor.
This is
Come
not
on,
how it
Taylor. You're
works.
killing it.
You guys are all...
definitely-
No, what is...
I think that the guys won. Girls,
Alright,
you let
so-
me down.
I'm gonna have to say the game's over and that Taylor wins because she's the only one who did not cheat here. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
No, you cheated. We all
You
saw
definitely cheated.
What? So the winner is the girls. We have to
Good
say
job,
it.
girls.
Alright. So, you know what I noticed?
What?
I noticed that no one seemed to break the streamers.
Yeah, that's true, but why does that matter?
Well, I don't know. It just reminded me about the break club. So I'm just gonna have to say we're gonna bring out the break club, led by Miss Lozada.
Woo!
It's up to you, New York, New York, New York.
Yeah, I'm up at Brooklyn. Now I'm down in Tribeca, right next to the Narrow. But I'll be foul. I'm living Sinatra. And since I made it here, I can make it anywhere. Yeah, they love me everywhere. I used to cop the Harlem. All of my Dominicanos right there on Broadway. Pull me back to that McDonald's. To get to my stash spot, 560 Station. Catch me in the kitchen like a Stevens invitation. Cruising down A Street, off-white Texas. Driving so slow, BK is from Texas. Me, I'm up the best I who wanna move it. And my little
All right, nice shirts, guys. That was awesome. All right, hi. I'm Dawson Brand. I'm your freshman representative.
And I'm Mason Goss, also freshman representative. Say, Dawson, what really gets people excited these days?
What's that, Mason?
Making dough.
Oh, I love that money.
I'm not talking about money, Dawson.
I don't think I understand. Are you talking like, are we talking pizzas, or are we talking cookies? What are we talking here?
Teachers, you will come out and you will search for your dough inside the big tub of flour.
All right, so can I have Mr. Gregorich, Mr. Kelmer, and Miss Tyke? You guys are gonna come down here and you guys are gonna make pizza dough. You're gonna find it in here in the flour, spin it up so you can make the most pizzas. Give your teachers a hand, guys. Come on, guys, cheer, let's go, come on. All right, guys.
Teachers, are you ready?
All right, ready, guys? All right, when we say go, ready? 1, 2, 3,
Go!
already a mess. You guys know the dough, you got the pizza, let's go.
favorite part of the assemblies is?
No, I don't. What is your favorite part?
Watching the dance team perform.
Oh, yeah, yeah. That's always awesome. Let's get it started.
Introducing the dance team performing their Broadway number, coached by Mrs. Evans.
Give him a hand, guys. Give him a hand.
Seize the day. Don't be afraid and don't delay. Nothing can break us, no one can make us give our rights away. Arise and seize the day.
Permanent box and chips and braces.
A porcelain cup with boiling water. A Saturday night with the mayor's daughter.
Look at me, I'm the king of New York. Suddenly, I'm expected to stand around at your lousy good stature.
Nothing with all the marketing months I'm flowing. We know we're gonna leave my
And there I be, I'm pretty
hands, my city.
I'm the king of New York.
Mezzanine seat to see the flickers.
A man cigars that cost a quarter.
An editor's desk full of stars of border.
In your hand, he's the king of New York. The king of New York. Black and white, in the color of roses, when out and in.
Making the headline out of a hunch. And paying for lunch. Proud and humble, he's the king of New York.
Either dead or dreaming. Look at that pig with my face mean. Tomorrow they may wrap fishes in, but I was a star for one.